The man who shared everything. In a busy town, there was a man named Samuel. Samuel was not rich, but he always had something to share. He worked as a carpenter and made chairs, tables, and small toys. One day, a boy sat near Samuel's shop. He looked sad. Samuel stopped his work and went to the boy. "Why are you sad, my friend?" he asked. The boy said, "I broke my toy, and my parents cannot buy a new one." Samuel smiled. "Wait here," he said. He went into his shop and came back with a small wooden horse. "Here is a gift for you," Samuel said. The boy's eyes shone with joy. "Thank you, Mr. Samuel," he said and ran home to show his parents. Another time, an old man came to Samuel's shop. He was cold and had no coat. Samuel saw him shivering. He went inside, found his extra coat, and gave it to the man. The old man looked surprised. "You are so kind," he said. "Why do you give your things away?" Samuel smiled. "Because when I share, my heart feels warm," he said. One evening, Samuel was walking home. A neighbor stopped him. "Samuel, you always help people. Don't you want to keep more for yourself?" Samuel thought for a moment and then said, "I have what I need, and I can make more. But when I share, I make others happy, and that makes me happy too." The neighbor nodded and smiled. Samuel walked home under the stars. His heart was full of peace. The town was a better place because of him. He was not a rich man, but Samuel shared everything, and that made him the richest man in the world.